हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल नर्सिंग एडुकेशन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे द मेजर न्यूट्रिशनल प्रॉब्लम इन इंडिया। तो देयर आर सेवरल न्यूट्रिशनल प्रॉब्लम इन इंडिया। तो चलिए देखते हैं कौन कौन से न्यूट्रिशनल प्रॉब्लम इंडिया में हैं। सबसे पहला प्रोटीन एनर्जी माल न्यूट्रिशन। नेक्स्ट आयरन डिफिशियंसी। आयरन डिफिशियंसी को हम न्यूट्रिशनल एनीमिया भी कहते हैं। थर्ड आयोडीन डिफिशियंसी डिसऑर्डर। फोर्थ विटामिन आर डिफिशियंसी। फिफ्थ लो बर्थ वेट चिल्ड्रेन। एंड लास्ट इज ओवर न्यूट्रिशन। तो ये सब हैं प्रोटीन एनर्जी माल न्यूट्रिशन। तो चलिए हम एक एक को अच्छी तरह से एक्सप्लेन करके पढ़ते हैं। सबसे पहला प्रोटीन एनर्जी माल न्यूट्रिशन। Protein energy malnutrition is the most widespread form of malnutrition among preschool children in our country. A majority of them suffer from various grades of malnutrition. प्रोटीन एनर्जी malnutrition जो है हमारे देश में प्री स्कूल चिल्ड्रेंस में कॉमनली पाए जाते हैं। नेक्स्ट, एज ए 44% children suffer from moderate degree of malnutrition and 8% suffer from severe extreme form of protein energy malnutrition. Protein energy malnutrition is particularly due to insufficient intake of food both in quality and quantity. Infection like diarrhea, measles, and acute respiratory infection is due to the protein energy malnutrition. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ते हैं आयरन डिफिशियंसी। आयरन डिफिशियंसी इज also known as nutritional anemia. Nutritional anemia among the preschool children and nursing mother is one of the major preventable health problem in India. It has been estimated in various studies, particularly those conducted by National Institute of Nutrition, that a survey conducted by National Institute of Nutrition, it explains that 55% preschool children and almost 50% of the expectant mother is that in the trimester of pregnancy suffer from iron deficiency in India, which is basically due to the insufficient and poor absorption of iron. थर्ड हम लोग पढ़ेंगे आयोडीन डिफिशियंसी डिसऑर्डर। Iodine deficiency disorder is another major nutritional problem in India. In India, nearly 40 million persons are estimated to suffer from goiter, and 145 million are living in the non-goiter endemic region in India. Iodine deficiency also accounts for 19,000 stillbirth and nutritional death every year. So iodine deficiency is also a very dangerous for our country. So we have to take all the nutrients in proper or adequate amount so our proper functioning of the body. नेक्स्ट हम लोग पढ़ेंगे विटामिन ए डिफिशियंसी। इट हैज़ बीन रिकॉग्नाइज्ड एज ए मेजर public health and nutritional problem in India. About 60% children in India suffer from eyesight of vitamin A deficiency. विटामिन ए डिफिशियंसी के कारण भारत के 60% पीपल बच्चे लोग का आँख खराब हो जाता है। They cannot get vitamin A in sufficient amount so that they suffer from eyesight. 60% children in India suffer from eyesight of vitamin A deficiency. Of deficiency include night blindness, etc. Nutritional blindness affect to over 7 million children in India per year that result mainly from of deficiency of vitamin A coupled with protein energy malnutrition. फिफ्थ में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे लो बर्थ वेट चिल्ड्रेन। द न्यूट्रिशनल स्टेटस Status is closely related to material nutritional status during pregnancy and infancy. Infancy. In India, 30% of all the infants In India, 30% of all the infants born are low birth weight, that is 2.5 kg, and this pattern is almost consistent since 1979. सिक्स्थ में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे ओवर न्यूट्रिशन. ओबेसिटी रिजल्ट्स फ्रॉम ओवर न्यूट्रिशन एंड इज मोस्ट prevalent in both developing or developed country. In India, a survey in 2007 and 2008 in few states related that obesity is prevented in all ages groups. It is higher in females of urban area. Obesity is a key risk factor to some other chronic and non-communicable diseases like heart disease, diabetes, liver disorder, gallbladder disease, etc. It is often measured in terms of the body index mass (BMI).